Nazneen Anwar. She is Secretary Information First Democratic Front. First of all, we are going to welcome you. We accord heartfelt and deepfelt welcome for you. And you have been with us. It's a great honor for we all. You are now representing the FDF and also the Rajput clan. What do you think about after participating in this particular session of Anjuman Falah-e Rajputan?
This is a wonderful experience. Anjuman Falah-e Rajputa, definitely Rajput needs to get together, needs to get more strong, and Rajput strength is much needed for the country, for the welfare of the country and for the welfare of us, the human, the nation of Pakistan.
What do you think about Rajput unity? So being organized, couple of speeches you would have learnt about. And what do you think, what would be the future of Rajput leaders to play a very vital and commendable role for the Pakistani progression and prosperity?
Rajput has played in past in our history a vital role, and without Rajput, Pakistan could not be found. So Pakistan is came into being because Rajput joined together and they put their maximum effort for the country and for the freedom and for Muslims of the area. But now Rajput are not seem so united. They are scattered, and I personally believe that Rajput should be organized and unite for the well-being of Pakistan, because Pakistan is made because of them.
What would be the role of women or the young girls especially to promote Rajput Biradari to work for their welfare and well-being?
Well, only welfare of Rajput is a limited topic. I would rather suggest that Rajput women should organize and work together for the greater cause, for our country. And I think Rajput women are most strong and competent women, and they can lead the entire nation and they can do better for Pakistan. Our political party, First Democratic Front, we present the notion that women should be respected and strong, and women should play the role in the well-being of the country.
Thank you very much indeed. We are grateful to you to have with us, and it's a great honor being together. Wish you all the best.